Canine. Today we are going to take a look at how we play with our puppies. Imprinting with Presa Canario puppy is very important. So many things are learned within the first 3 to 4 months of life. Just like human children, a lot of the things that we teach them here during their time with us sticks with them for the rest of their life. Can you please let the puppies out to the play park? What we have here, just a plain milk jug, some beans inside the jug. This helps them get used to loud noises, shocking noises, things like that. We also avidly play tug games, different things like that. Come on, pups! I got away this time. Come on! Hold on, guys. Come on, Cole. Oops. There you go. All right. This is the 2014 litter out of Andy, who we call Andy, who's Andres de Conquistador. He is the father. Mother is Bravo's Reina. Be nice. Bravo's Reina. We've got here in the green collar, this is Rolando de Conquistador. We've got here with no collar, Hijo de Andres de Conquistador. We call him Face. In the blue collar here, this is Porto de Conquistador. Watch out, baby. And the black collar here, this is Artho de Conquistador. And the tough little girl is Coco de Conquistador. She does not let her brothers have a break. Anyhow, what we're going to do here is kind of show you how we end up playing. Hey guys! Yes. 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 in the group. So basically, an everyday puppy program here at Conquistador pretty much looks like this. We start out at 5:30 in the morning. We get our morning play yard. Typically they don't have a handler with them at that time. They have some alone time in the play yard to play with their brothers, sisters, mom, dad. Everybody comes out to the play yard together. Then we pull everybody back in, hydrate, and we feed. Then we have one more outside time so that we can make sure that everybody gets their morning business done. After that, typically we get a crash. We'll crash down for roughly an hour, sometimes even longer. And then at lunchtime, we start out with some individualized training, so everybody gets pulled out one by one. And we practice basic obedience commands during that time, one-on-one. Typically, it's about 15-minute sessions per puppy. If we have adults at that time or that are working on some particular commands, we'll pull them out one by one at that time too. The afternoons typically are kind of laxy-daisy, where everybody gets, again, family time, play time. And then we have a smaller lunch. Everybody gets served, again gets let back out to the play yard. And then everybody pretty much stays together in the evening times and during nap times. There's no individual kennels. We start crate training then towards the evening. We get to crate train right before and right after supper and until bedtime. Everybody goes to bed probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock. And that's the typical day in the life of a Conquistador puppy. Lots of socialization, lots of playing with family members, children. We do outings. We do lots of outings to different places, lots of pet-friendly places around here too. So typically we take one or two kids at a time, one or two puppies at a time with the family. That's how they play. They play all day. That's right. All right, we're gonna go inside. Okay. We're going to go inside. We're going to take some weights and measurements on these puppies out of this litter that was born August 13th. Today is November 1st. So we are going to kind of see how we've grown, what we've